Doors, windows, and patios often benefit from awnings or shades that shield users from sun and rain. Available in various styles, awnings can significantly enhance your home's exterior appeal. If you're considering adding this feature, it's essential to choose the right type and material that complements your residence. Need some guidance? Explore our top 10 awning ideas and shades to find the perfect fit for your home. And for the latest updates, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. 10. Shade and lighting combo idea. Enjoying the fresh air outside with friends is a great mood booster. However, summer days can bring intense heat, even in the shade of a pergola. One effective solution is to plant greenery around the pergola, creating a dramatic effect while providing sun protection. Though it takes time for plants to grow, you can opt for a quicker fix by weaving fabric across the pergola. Start by cutting the fabric into strips, either measuring them or going by intuition. Attach the strips with screws on one side and weave them across the pergola, securing the ends with screws. For added flair, install string lights beneath the fabric, transforming your shade into a beautiful decoration for evening gatherings. Number 9. Front door awning idea. Protecting your wooden front door from rain is essential, and installing an awning is a great way to enhance its appeal. Before choosing one, consider the best material for your needs. Polyester is weather-resistant and blocks UV rays while still allowing light to filter through, making it easy to clean. If you prefer durability, cotton is a solid choice that can be machine washed. For a sleek, modern look, glass awnings provide long-lasting protection and keep your interior cool, especially if made from colored or frosted glass. Number 8. A retractable awning idea. A retractable awning is perfect for those who want flexible shade during the summer without the hassle of winter removal. These awnings come in various structures. Some require a manual crank, while others feature automatic controls. You'll find a wide selection of fabrics, from breathable to solid and striped options. Keep in mind that maintaining a retractable awning might require budgeting for upkeep. Skip to number 6, wooden awning idea. A wooden awning, like the one shown, features a welded frame anchored securely to the wall. It's ideal for covering small areas such as windows or doors. These structures are typically sturdy and long-lasting. Just keep in mind that once installed, the alignment is not easily adjustable. If you're interested in building your own, start by measuring the width of your door and calculating the size of the awning. Build the A-frame first, then attach 2 or 3 horizontal rafters. Next, secure the wood for the roof and apply paint or a protective coating. Finally, install it on the wall. Number 5. A slanted shelter idea. This sleek, modern, slanted pergola enhances any narrow yard while providing valuable shade for outdoor activities. Equipped with heat lamps and lighting, it allows for comfortable dining outside on chilly evenings. When fitted with a fixed roof, such a structure is often referred to as a pavilion or a gazebo in smaller versions. Number 4. A wire-hung canopy. Similar to the previous idea, this canopy uses strips of fabric woven across a pergola, but offers the added convenience of being easily adjustable. To create one, start by measuring the dimensions of your pergola, cut the fabric to size, then sew it and install it using a rope pulley system for effortless opening and closing. If you prefer a simpler method, use a long webbing strap sewn into a loop and attach it under the center strap eye at the back of each panel. Number 3, a pergola canopy idea. While we've discussed fabric additions for shade, let's focus on the pergola structure itself. A pergola provides excellent partial shade. If you're handy, you can build one using treated lumber to save costs. Begin with the posts and framework, then assemble the columns and add decorative elements for visual appeal. Finally, paint and stain your pergola and consider building it over an existing patio or deck to save time and effort. Number 2, awning with invisible supports. This awning features hidden arms for support, offering both elegance and added aesthetic value to your home. To create this, start by taking precise measurements and cutting the fabric, leaving extra material to cover the frame. Cut 4 sections of pipe and use 2-way corner connectors at the frame corners. Mark the wall for installation, drill holes, and screw the frame in place. Finally, attach the fabric. Before we wrap up our countdown, remember that every like, share, and comment helps us reach a wider audience. If you've watched this far, you know what to do. If the new voice kept you tuned in, give the video some hype to help it reach new heights. But if that feels like too much, just know you've done great by spending your valuable time here. With that, let's close our countdown with Number 1. DIY Backyard Shade Sail Idea. This budget-friendly shade solution imparts a cheerful, playful look while being simple to construct. The sail in the illustration uses steel square tubes for their sturdy support. Set the posts in concrete bases for stability and cover the tubes with caps to prevent water accumulation. Once the posts are secure, drill holes for eye bolts and nuts. Measure the fabric for the sail, ensuring it has double-stitched webbing to prevent fraying. Sew stainless steel rings into each corner for anchoring to the posts. Installing the sail is the final step. The fabric tube awning idea. The fabric tube awning is an innovative and stylish solution for adding shade to your outdoor space, perfect for patios, balconies, or small areas. To create this awning, gather lightweight fabric, flexible PVC pipes, rope or cord, screw in eye hooks, scissors, and a measuring tape. Begin by measuring the intended space and cutting the fabric to size, leaving extra for hems. Then, cut the PVC pipes to form a rectangular frame that matches the dimensions of your fabric. Secure the corners with connectors to provide a sturdy structure and fold the fabric edges over the PVC pipe, securing them with fabric glue or sewing for a neat finish. After the frame is ready, screw in eye hooks into the wall or posts above the area where the awning will be installed. Thread rope or cord through the fabric tube's pipe and tie it to the eye hooks, allowing you to pull the fabric taut easily. This simple yet effective design not only provides shade from the sun, but also adds a custom touch to your outdoor area, making it perfect for relaxation and gatherings. Consider using different fabrics and colors to personalize your awning and enhance your outdoor decor. So, spending time outdoors during the summer is enjoyable, but comfort shouldn't be compromised by harsh sunlight. An awning or shade can provide functional and stylish protection. Oh, and by the way, at the SimFoam channel, you'll discover a range of lists that you won't find anywhere else. For example, we offer insights like 10 small bedroom ideas with big beds, 10 interior design tips to improve your sleep quality, and 10 creative DIY projects to revamp your shoe storage, among many others. Each list is compiled through extensive research and careful writing, with relevant sources included to enhance your learning experience. So, what are you waiting for? If you have some free time and internet access, follow the link in the description to fully explore what SimFoam has to offer. That's it for now. Before you go, please like this video if you enjoyed it. Feel free to comment or share it with your friends on social media or via email. Lastly, we look forward to seeing you again soon with more videos like this. Until then, thanks for watching.